Welcome back, friends. Today I have for you some fun DIY crafts you can make using Dollar Tree's tumbling tower blocks. I love using these. They come 72 in a pack, and I just put them all in a basket because it's easier to keep contained and grab from. Dollar Tree has these beautiful stickers. If you have not been to Dollar Tree's sticker aisle, I highly recommend it, especially if you have your kiddos. Look how cute these are. You can use these for all kinds of paper crafts, even just a greeting card for a friend. I just think they're so fun. I love the 3D look, and I'm going to go with this one under the sea theme. I'm going to use a blue construction paper as well as some of these beads. Now, these beads are optional. You do not need to use these. I'm going to use a marker, specifically a green marker, and a piece of poster board. You can also use cardboard. I'm going to use my scissors and my hot glue, and at the last minute, I decided to add a straw and white paint, and I'll show you why. I'm going to start joining 10 of them together in the shape of a rectangle. So I'm going to do 3 on top, 3 at the bottom, and then 2 on each side. Now I'm going to use hot glue because it works really well. Just be careful with your little ones, but I highly recommend hot glue because it just works really well. All right, once I have the first one done, I'm going to make a second one, and then we're just going to hot glue it right on top of the other one. We just want it to be a little thicker than what it is now. So I'm just going to add hot glue to that first one and then stack the other one right on top, just like that. Then we're going to take that and we're just going to trace it onto the poster board, cutting it just a little smaller than where the line is. Then we're going to attach the blue paper on top. Now for this one, you can use white glue or even glue stick. And then we're going to cut off the excess paper from the sides. And then we're going to hot glue this piece to the back of the wood blocks. And I'm going to use hot glue, but again, for this part, you can actually use white glue or glue stick. And then once everything's attached, I'm going to start decorating the inside because this will be a fish tank. I'm just going to use the green marker to create what will look like seaweed. And then we're going to start adding some fun details. This is where I grabbed the straw and I'm just going to dip it in the white paint. That's going to make it look like little bubbles. I learned this technique a while ago and I just thought, why don't I use it again for this one? All right, then I'm going to add the stickers. I'm going to go with the little crab. I think he is absolutely adorable. We're just going to add him to the bottom and then a little fishy to the top. And again, for this next part with the beads, it's just completely optional. I just wanted to add what will look like some little thicker 3D bubbles. But again, if you don't have these type, that's okay. You can add more of the white bubbles or just leave without them. I did have a few extras, so I'm just going to add those to the edge, just around the trim. And that way it just kind of brings everything together. Now you can also paint the wood if you'd like. I decided to keep it in the natural wood tone because I think it looked really cute. But look how adorable this is. Those stickers are so cute. I love that they're 3D. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to use more of the tumbling tower blocks. We're going to use 15 of them, and they don't have to all be dark. You can use mix match, it doesn't matter. We're going to use white paint as well as a paintbrush and a permanent marker, or you can use black paint and the hot glue. We are going to start hot gluing them together. We're going to do blocks of 3, and then the next 3, we're just going to hot glue on the opposite direction. You can do it this way where you're just stacking them one on top of each other, or you can make blocks of 3 and then hot glue those blocks onto each other. We want to create what will look like a cube. Now, as you are hot gluing, you're going to see that some of the hot glue oozes out from the edges. Just try to wipe carefully as you can. But then once dry, just kind of sand them down and they come off and smooth it out really nicely. And then, of course, you want to wipe really well. And then I'm going to paint. Now, the Waverly chalk pen and the white, or all colors really, they have great pigment. So only one coat and pretty much maybe a coat and a half was needed. But if you're doing any other color or white in any, just do as many coats as you need to. Once all the sides were colored, then I'm just going to set it to the side to dry. And this is what it looks like. And then we're going to take the permanent marker and we're going to make a dice. So we're just going to start by adding one dot on one side. And then we're going to flip it directly to the opposite side. And we're going to do the larger number, the 6. Once we do the 6, then we're going to do the 2, because that's what comes next after the 1. on one side. And then on the opposite side of that, we're going to do the next big number, which would be the 5. And then we're going to do the same thing with the 4 and the 3. And they'll all be on opposite ends. This will be a fun cube or fun dice that you can use when you are playing with your kiddos. My daughter loved it and she quickly started playing with it. I think it's so adorable and so easy to make, and you can make it in any color you want. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to use more of the tumbling tower blocks, and we are going to use 20 of them. We're going to also use 5 different paint colors. I'm going to use the orange, the green, the red, yellow, and blue, but you use any colors you want. We're going to use 5 paintbrushes, of course, one for each color, and we are going to use a black marker. We're going to start by drawing a line directly down the middle. We're going to make a domino style game, except it's going to be with colors instead of the number dots. This will be a great game you can play with your little ones that maybe don't know how to, count the numbers yet, but they know how to tell colors. We're going to leave one of the wood pieces completely blank, no paint. And then we're going to add paint on 2 sides of the line with each color, creating 5 blocks that are solid in all colors. And then after that, we're going to take one of each color and we are going to color one side, leaving the other bare. You see where I'm going with this, right? You just want to have a nice mix of different colors and nice so that it can play like dominoes. Then we're going to start adding 2 colors, but both colors just different. Now you're going to see me here that I'm going to start counting. I was trying to figure out how many of each color do I have? Did I do the same color? You know what I'm talking about. Just take your time. Of course, I'm speeding it up because I don't want to bore you, but basically just add colors as you need. I messed up a few times. I just scratched that block and add a different color. That's it. Don't worry about it. So once you have them all color, here's me counting. I told you I was counting. I'm going to set it to the side, let it dry, and that's it. What a fun way to do this domino game. I love this for little ones. What do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.